the heck? It's horrible.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 484 remains in.
Oh goodness. What the heck?
In northern New Jersey, northeastern Middlesex County in northern New
Oh my god. Goodness, what the heck?
Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Morris County, northeastern Somerset County, northeastern Middlesex County until 6:30 p.m.
What the heck?
At 5:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Martinsville or near Plainfield.
Goodness.
Moving southeast.
It's a considerable too.
Hazard 70 miles per hour.
Martinsville, Millington, Woodbridge, South Plainfield, North Plainfield, Metuchen, Duneland, Watchung, Eastland, Soren, Fort Reading, Fords, and Arvenal. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Middlesex, Morris, and Somerset.
Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
A severe thunder.
Alright.